What's going on, y'all? It's Churro, and today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my studio apartment, or as we call it here in South Korea, a one-room 아파트. Now, before we begin, I just want to make a quick note. I don't live in Seoul. I know a lot of people in Korea are interested in looking at what Seoul looks like, but this video is not that. I actually live 2 hours away from Seoul. I live in the province of Jeollabukdo. So if you want to see what other living accommodations could look like here in South Korea, then let's go. So originally I was going to work from the outside of the building and make our way inwards, but my laundry just finished. So I might as well just show you what the laundry room looks like first. So let's go. Many apartments in Korea come with a patio room like this. Mine has a glass sliding door. And a lot of them tend to be some sort of variation of a laundry room. There is a washing machine. Mine came pre-equipped with this one. Fortunately, there isn't a dryer, but there is a drying rack. As you can see up here, I have my towels up here right now, and I need to take out my laundry that's been drying. This is a blanket. So a blanket could fit up here. You could do a whole load. Everything will fit up here. I have a little clip rack for my towels and socks and all that good stuff. I got my bathing suit right here. America. And this massive machine in the back right here above this washing machine is a gas boiler. So all my hot water comes from here. And the way for me to turn that on is through here. This is my control switch for my gas burner, and also Korea comes with heated floors. So this also controls that. If I ever want to do dishes, take a hot shower, wash my clothes in hot water, I have to use this. The F on there, somebody wrote there previously, it stands for the floor. W obviously stands for the water. Many of the other features, I know what it says, but I don't understand what it does. So those are only two options that I really mess around with. So coming back into the laundry room, we got a little bit of soap and bleach down here, and we're gonna continue the tour from down there. So that's my apartment right there. On the 4th floor, that's my house. It's a really quiet day today in my neighborhood. I believe all these buildings that you see are all studio apartments. So that one says noise one room in Korean. And this is actually the entrance to my one room. Our doors are supposed to be closed all the time. And they got this lock. But it's either broken or they just never lock it. So you walk in. To your left is all the mailboxes. To the right, or to the front, it's my bike and a little baby carriage. That's me. So you follow this railing up, all the way up. And this is the front of my house. All the houses here in Korea usually have an electronic lock like this. I'm going to demonstrate how you use that. You just open this thing, type in your keypad, and then you close it up, plays a little jingle, open the door, and you're in. So coming into the house, the first thing you see is a little area meant for your shoes. And of course, this is Korea, so you don't step into it like this. You gotta take it off. Put on your house slippers, which is this. Let me fix my socks real quick. Put on your slippers. Boom, boom. They're a little small for me, as you can see. But does the job. These are my classics. Can't go throughout life without my white Vans. Then right next to the door, the light switch that controls the bathroom. Turn it on. That's the fan. Boom, that's the light. I just put these on, but to go inside the restroom, there are another pair of slippers. Shake off the water. So inside the restroom, with these on, I'm not gonna put them on because they're wet inside. I just took a shower recently. Boom. My restroom's actually pretty small. I got a little toilet right here and a sink that also doubles as a shower. So for us Western viewers here, this is very, very weird. Took a little getting used to, but after a while, this gets really comfortable. The shower head is actually connected to the sink, and the whole entire restroom floor is able to get wet, so it makes cleaning a lot easier. I used to think it was only a Korea thing, but I went to Taiwan, and Taiwan actually had it like this too. I saw another person in Thailand with their restrooms also like this, so I'm just gonna assume all the restrooms in Asia are kind of this style. Regular white porcelain throne. I got a little cabinet in here with a little diffuser right here. So inside, just got toilet paper rolls, soap. Don't ask me why I got this in here. I don't know. And more toilet paper rolls. So, let's get out of here. Move on to my living room. This is the view of the living room from my front door. You walk in. Of course, the first thing you see, a damn rice cooker. Because you already know, Asians can't go a day without rice. All white kitchen table. Shout out to my aunt for buying me this when I first moved here. We got a little window. I was over there. I have a little yogurt machine, vitamins, paper towels. I have a very reflective microwave. Boom. A toaster that I never use, a blender, and an iron. This is my fridge. Got some fake flowers. Got little buttons and magnets and coupons for various different delivery areas. Should we take a look? Yeah, let's take a look. So inside, you got the staple right here. This is all I've been living on, just anchovies for the last 5 months. Got a, oh this looks really bad, but got a frozen banana. Can't be a broke college student without a young frozen banana. Ooh, some panchan that my grandma gave me. Big black bag of who knows what. My favorite chicken nuggets from Korea. America needs to step up their frozen chicken nugget game because this thing is so good. Way to go, Korea. Next. So, inside my fridge, got a little bit of water left. Korea is very strict on trash, so I gotta go recycle this in my little recycle pile. Is this little mountain right over here. So just like that, just stack this up and then recycle this later. And then onto the kitchen. There's some pink cleaning gloves like all the Korean ajumas and the K-dramas. A little kitchen towel, a cutting board, utensils, a drying rack that I did not put away, frying pan. This right here, this right here, I don't know if y'all can see what that is. That is the pot from a rice cooker. Don't judge me. I know that's hella ghetto, but my other pot just broke, so I'm in dire need of some soup, some kimchi jjigae, but I had nothing. But I did have an old rice cooker I was gonna throw away right here, and I just thought, hey, I'm gonna throw it away anyways, I might as well use it one last time for some kimchi jjigae. So bada bing, bada boom. So we move on to this door right in front of my refrigerator, which is the door to my room. Through this door, oh, that breath of cool air from that AC. Walking through to my room, you're greeted with the image of yourself. I don't know what this is called, but it was here. The previous owner left it here. The shelves, they're all broken. Yeah, that's how it looks. Just like that, it's broken. But but the top part here still works. So I got all my lotions and deodorant. And for my extra dry days, I got some WD-40 for the ashy days. And to the right of that mirror is the laundry room I just showed you. I got all my blankets lined up now. And then to the left, my bed, my comfy bed. I got my little doll I won from, I believe that's Namsan Tower. I won it in a little crane machine game. This blue machine is a game changer. It's a mosquito repellent. The thing right next to it is a hair dryer. These are some plants that I absolutely did not take care of, which I believe they were dead already before I came, actually. They're from the previous Talk Scholar. I got an inspirational quote right here next to the flowers. It says, "Do what you love." Right next to the bed, I got my little clothes rack. Nothing fancy, just 2 poles from the ceiling to the floor. I got my little workspace. I got a guitar right here. My water bottle. Also got a little collection of memorabilia, I guess. My friend, when she went to Thailand, wrote me a message. Covered that up for privacy's sake. A little Pokemon card that one of my students gave me. Some Pokemon takjis or pogs. And then the cup I made at orientation. Pretty dope, I would say. But I made it, so. This little frog right here. Dope as hell. Let me just show you how it works. Look at this. Come on. Also, I got it from a blind man in Taiwan, so gotta support the arts, you know what I'm saying? So that's basically it for my apartment tour here in Korea. If you're wondering how much I paid for this, I actually pay $0. I don't have daddy's money. My dad's not paying for this or anything. I actually teach in a program called TALK. Stands for Teach and Learn in Korea. They pay for my apartment here and they pay me a wage to live here in Korea. So if you're interested in taking a look at that video, I'll link it somewhere in one of these corners. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing a black shirt, it's because I really want to try this. Oh, yep, that's the one. Whoa. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. I hope to have more videos like this here in Korea for the rest of my time being here. So that's it. It's been Churro, and I'll see you next time. Peace out, y'all. So I've never actually been anywhere above my floor on this building. So today, you and I are both gonna find out what's above me. Let's go. Yo, that's pretty dope.